Right, the first question. Should score team A be local or global? I'm going to answer this before even moving on to the code. Now, you had a little bit of practice with this in the earlier exercises. Given that the score needs to be saved and modified for a longer period of time, and in between button clicks, it should be a global variable. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and define it now, because I have a little bit of a better idea of where I should define it because I'm making it global. Okay, here I am in the code. I'm going to go over to the Java file. And you might see that a couple things changed. Actually, really, the only thing that changed is I added some comments here to say what each of these methods does. Besides that, everything's the same. Okay, so I need to define a global variable. I'm going to scroll up, and the reason that I scroll up is because by convention, when I have global variables, I put them right here at the top of the class. The difference in location of where you define a global variable versus a local variable is that local variables will be defined within methods, whereas global variables will be outside of the methods. So I'm putting it outside right here. Well, I know it's a number, and because you're always going to score at least 1 point, and you're not going to score like 1.5 points, this number isn't going to include decimals. So a type of integer is actually a pretty good choice here. So I'm going to type int. Okay, and after the data type comes the variable name. And I'm going to use score team A. Okay, and if I was just doing a declaration, I'd be done. But I was also told to initialize this to 0, so forget the semicolon for now. I'm going to write the equals sign, also known as the assignment operator, and I'm going to set it to 0. Oh, and don't forget the semicolon. Okay, so there's the answer for that. Good work so far.